How to deposit a check using Wells Fargo mobile application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can deposit a check using Wells Fargo mobile application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Wells Fargo application. After that, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you're logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of your interface. Tap on the deposit option there. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken into next page where you have to select the account where you want the funds to deposit. You can set it as a default if you use the account often. So select your account where you want to deposit the fund to. Then you have to enter the check amount exactly as it appears on the check. Once you enter your amount, then you have to take your photos, or you have to take your check photos. So make sure that you capture both front and back sides of your check properly. Once you capture your check photo, then all you have to do is review the information, especially the amount and the account. Once done, tap on deposit and you will get an on-screen confirmation and an email. After depositing, you could write mobile deposit and the date on the front of your check and securely store it for 5 days before destroying it. So that's the way to deposit a check using Wells Fargo mobile application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.